virus is a acellular organism because it lacks the cellular components like mitochondria, cell wall, nucleus, and ribosome. Viruses are ultramicroscopic. Virus cannot be seen with our naked eyes and even by the light microscope because of its size ranging from 20 to 300 nanometer. It can be seen only by electron microscope. If we compare smallest bacteria Mycoplasma, which is 300 nanometer, whereas human RBC is 750 nanometer, and the largest virus smallpox virus size is 300 nanometer. Size of smallest bacteria and largest virus are same. Viruses are metabolically inert as they do not contain cellular components like mitochondria and enzymes to yield energy. Viruses are obligate intracellular parasite. So they require host cell for multiplication. Without host cells they are not able for independent multiplication. A virus is an infectious agent and responsible for various disease causation. A virus can also infect a bacteria. Such viruses are named bacteriophage. Structure of virus. Virus consists of three main structures. 1. Genome. Genome is made up of either DNA or RNA but not both at a time. Another structure of virus is capsid, which is made up of proteins. Each unit of proteins is called capsomere. Next structure of virus is envelope, which is present in some viruses. Envelope is made up of lipoproteins. Lipoproteins has two portions, lipid and protein. Lipids are derived from host cells, whereas proteins are derived from the virus itself. Based on arrangements of symmetry of capsid proteins, viruses assume different shapes. Viruses have three major shapes. 1. Helicle. 2. Icosahedral. 3. Complex. Example of helical viruses are arbovirus, orthomyxovirus. Example of icosahedral viruses are adenovirus, togavirus. Example of complex viruses are poxvirus, retrovirus, flavivirus. On the basis of genome, viruses are classified as DNA virus and RNA virus. DNA and RNA viruses are again single-stranded and double-stranded. Please have a look at the classification below. Here DNA and RNA viruses are classified with example.